Well, here's the old baler. I still do need to grease it up. Yeah. 0. It had 1,400 bales on it before the counter. So anyway, things to do. These are already set to where I want them. I'm going to grease the knotters and the knife action. I'm going to grease those. The wheels are already good. That tire is junk. Twine's already fed and is through. I'm a little concerned about this one though. I don't know how strong it is. Still feels alright though. It's a little rotted. But this one, this bale of twine and this bale of twine I know are alright. And these are brand new. So there is some old hay in here, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to grease this thing too, even though it's pretty loose. Yeah, I'm going to put some grease on this. This chute, I really don't know what to do. Let me come out here and show you. There's where it's attached to the tractor, and the chute goes way back into the barn. So, yeah. I think I'm just going to get rid of that for now. We can put it back on if we need to load things onto the wagon or something. That wagon, but it's full right now, so. Anyway, I'll just commence to doing all the crap I have to do to this thing, and then we'll probably start baling here before too long. Alright, we're about ready. Just got a couple more little things to do. I gotta check the oil on this. To look for a gauge. I think it's the bottom. Oh yeah. It's a little gummy though. Yeah, it's been in there a while, but got plenty. Might just be a heavyweight oil. Probably what it is. Probably. Alright, we're going to take it into the field and see what we can do. Alright, let me back up a little bit. All this hay out from underneath this thing. You can see how much was stuck under there. Let's see. Well, we got one problem. When we were running the thing, as you can see, it's hooked up to the John Deere now, because that co-op doesn't spin the thing fast enough. And we did break a couple pins. These pins, right there, you see that? There's 2 pins that go in here. Well, the guy that owned this before, he had it jury-rigged with a screw, which is right here. I'll show you. He had it rigged with this screw here and another little pin. So, naturally, when we were running it through these huge windrows, they both busted out, and this chain, this is all the hay I pulled out of the thing. And this chain drives the slide board, which stuffs the hay in there. That's the slide board. It moves back and forth that way and stuffs the hay in. Also, our knotters were a little jacked, but we fixed that. They just needed rethreaded. The needles just needed rethreaded. But anyway, yeah, this outside row, it's a double row, but it's huge. I mean, you can look at that. It's at my knee. That windrow is at my knee. There's the windrow. It's pretty much at my knee. Anyway, got the old 4300 hooked up to it, so see how it runs it. I'll get back to you when Dad gets back here with the shear pins. Well, the parts wagon just arrived and he's flying. There he is. Alright, we're getting ready to fire this thing up again. Put this camera down and concentrate. Well, it's nighttime. We're still baling hay. Still got a little bit more to do. We've got a lot of bales off this. I'm surprised. The baler's working great now. Pretty good. Seems to be running all right. New Holland at work behind a John Deere. Still got a few more rows. Well, there you go. Night baling with the New Holland. Good day, farmers, and whoop, nostril in it again. Just quick before we leave, we're gonna go check how many bales of hay there are, and this thing won't start. Well, here's the hay field. You can see we got bales, plenty of them. New Holland works pretty good. Mistied one at the very end though. Makes pretty good little bales. Let me show you one of the bales it made. Pretty good bales. This one's pretty tight. It's about 40-inch bales. That's what it puts out. So yeah. Pretty good. We got quite a few bales out of this field. And once we sorted out the knotters, it seemed to work okay. Yeah, I'm happy with the way it worked. You can see all the bales. I mean, far and wide. I mean, yeah, worked great. Well, anyway, it's bright. shoot. Of course I get some in my eye. Always do. Alright. Well, anyway, that's it for this video. It's probably going to be really long. So, excuse me. A lot of stuff had to go into that. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more.